Children, come to the page number 179. Let's see this question. How many times do you get 6? Children, what are you seeing here? This is dice, right? So here we will play a very interesting game with dice. First we read this. Have you played any game with dice? Yes. Which game we have played? Ludo and snake and ladder, right? So here we will write yes. Next question. How many dots are there on the different faces of a die? Children, here you can see this is die, and this die, how many total faces of this die? Total 6 faces, right? How many faces? 6 faces. But question is there, how many dots? That means we have to count all dots. So how we count? So this dot here, first face we will see here 1 dot. So I have written here 1. Now let's see the second face. How many dots are here? 2. So what we write here? We write 2. Then third face. In third face there are 3 dots. So what we write? 3. Then next one is 4 dots. How many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we write here? 4. Then fifth face has 5 dots. So we write here 5. And finally, what we see here? Total 6 dots. Now we count, we add all numbers. That means all dots. When we add all numbers, we get 21. Okay. So the answer is 21. So what we say? There are total 21 dots on the all faces of a die. Okay. Now children, we will play a very interesting game with the help of the dice. Okay. So what is the condition? Throw a die. Then afterward we will draw all the faces of the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we throw a die how many times? 30 times. Okay. Now throw a die and then look at the number of dots you get on the face on your die. So which number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for each number, draw a mark. Which mark? Slanting mark in front of the number. That means we got 5. So we draw one slanting line in front of 5. Okay. This way. Now again we throw the die second time. And this time which number came? 6. So we draw slanting line in front of 6 this way. And how many times we already threw? 2 times, right? So also we have to check, we have to throw only 30 times, right? So again third time we start to throw. This time we get 4. So we draw slanting line in front of 4. Okay. Third time already we have done. Now fourth time we start to throw. Again 4 came. So here we draw slanting line in front of 4. Okay. So children, this way you can play at your home, and I'm sure you will enjoy to do this, to play this game, right? So children, I threw dice 30 times and I marked it here. I have marked in slanting line. So I got how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay. I got 2, how many times? 6 times. So similarly, this way also you will do. Okay. Here are given some questions. So we have to give answer according to this chart. So first we read the question. Which face of the die did you get the most number of times? So children, you can see over here. Here is asking which face of the die did you get the most number of time? Okay, so here we have to find the maximum number of time. So easily we can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I got 5 how many times? 8 times. So what we write here? Answer. Which face? This face. Okay, so you can do. So children, I have written answer. I got 5 most number of times, that is 8 times. Let's see the next question. How many times did 6 come up? So we have to see here how many times, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have written the answer 4 times. Okay. Let's see the question C. 4 came up more number of times than 1. So children, you can see this chart and we have to compare the face with 1 dot and 4 dot. So you can see over here 4, I got 4 how many times? 3 times. And I got 1 how many times? 4 times. So here is the statement 4 came up more number of times. So this statement is wrong. So what should be here? 1 came up more number of times than 4. So here this is according to this chart, this statement is wrong. So here I have written no. Let's see the question D. Your table with that of the student sitting next to you. Do you find any difference in the two tables? Means suppose children, if you play this game and your friend play this game, so both will get a difference. Suppose it is not necessary that 2 comes 6 times. I got 2 how many times? 6 times, but not necessary my friend got the same number of times. Okay, so here I have written answer. Yes, there is difference in my table and my friend's table, right? Now children, it's your turn to play this game. You can throw a die and you can check the faces of the die how many times you can get the all faces, right? Thank you.